my dear friends, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making scrumptious delicious apple pie. For making apple pie you need 2 apples, half lemon, which also has lemon zest, and then puff pastry, and then cinnamon powder, then sugar, and then apple pie cups. For apple pie, you need to peel the apple and cut the apple. You can use any apple you like or any apple you have. If you want to cut it, ask your elders because the knife is sharp. I cut it a little, and now I'm going to cut the other apples. Watch me. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in the bowl. Now add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Depends on the sweetness you want. I'm taking this much because that's how much sweetness I want. Squeeze the lemon in it. Squeeze the lemon zest next. Mix it with a hand and let it set for 15 minutes. Inside the pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let the apple cook. I'm using puff pastry and my cups are the size of it, so I'm going to put it a little more bigger of the size. You can roll the pastry a little before keeping it in the apple pie cups. Slowly put it inside the cup. Meanwhile, put 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in the apple. Apple is ready. Now we need to pour the apple into the cups. A little bit mix sugar and cinnamon together and then add it on top of the apple pie. I'm protecting my apple pie off the edges with foil so it doesn't burn. Bake the apple pie for 15 to 20 minutes. The apple pie is ready I have the apple pie, it's ready, with some ice cream and strawberries. You can have coffee or ice cream or strawberries. I'm having apple pie with ice cream. Believe me, it's so good. apple pie is melting in my mouth. I forgot to say, when the apple pie was on the stove, I added a little bit of rose water. I don't know if you know what rose water is, but it's rose water. I added a little bit to the apple pie, and oh wow, it's so good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. See you in the next video. I love you. Bye.